Whatever. What a perfect night to start drawing this guy, to start this guy. Cut, take two, whatever. What a perfect night to start this guy. Tonight we're gonna draw Sandmeh. Sandmeh? Really? That's his name? Whatever, I'm fine with it. This guy makes people over-agreeable, and, well, it's protected by a soothing aura that even chills Rough down. And, well, he makes you say whatever to everything. It's sort of it's something a bullhead would say. Really, who does that? Never mind. He's already done. That was fast. It looks like a gingerbread cookie. Alexa, what is a gingerbread cookie?
Here's something I found on the web. According to finacooking.com, classic gingerbread cookies are dense, heavy on the ginger, and usually flavored with molasses.
Proud to draw this guy. Anyhow, good night.